Welcome to this session on use case and exploratory testing approaches, two dynamic methods that help uncover defects based on real-world usage and human intuition. These techniques are user-focused and incredibly effective when paired with structured test design. Let's start with use case testing. A use case represents a specific interaction between a user and a system to achieve a goal. It describes how the user initiates an action, how the system responds, and what outcomes are expected. Use case testing is ideal for validating workflows and user scenarios. It helps testers think from the user's perspective, ensuring the software aligns with real-world usage. For example, a use case for an e-commerce site might be place an order as a returning user. The test case would cover login, cart interaction, payment, and confirmation. Use cases can be visualized using diagrams that show actors, actions, and system responses. Each step of the use case is turned into a test condition. This approach provides excellent coverage of functional requirements and business processes. Use case testing is especially useful in acceptance testing, regression testing, and systems with complex user flows. It ensures that key user journeys work as intended, not just individual functions in isolation. Now let's look at exploratory testing. This is a flexible, hands-on testing approach where test design, execution, and learning happen simultaneously. There's no detailed script. Instead, testers explore the system based on intuition, curiosity, and real-time findings. Exploratory testing is great for discovering unexpected issues, usability problems, or edge cases that scripted testing may miss. It's not unstructured. Testers usually work from a charter that outlines what to explore, how long to test, and what areas to focus on. For example, a charter might be explore the checkout flow to identify any inconsistencies in payment behavior. Testers then interact with the system, document observations, and investigate any anomalies. This technique works well in agile and fast-paced environments where requirements may evolve quickly. It encourages creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability. It's also useful when documentation is incomplete or when testing a new feature for the first time. Exploratory testing doesn't replace scripted testing. It complements it. Use it alongside your regular test suites to deepen coverage and uncover hidden bugs. To get the most from exploratory testing, use session-based management. Set time-box sessions, define clear charters, record findings, and review results. Pair testing or peer reviews can further enhance the quality of exploration. So, how do these two techniques work together? Use case testing validates defined workflows and ensures business requirements are met. Exploratory testing probes the software for unknown issues and provides a user's eye view of quality. Together, they help deliver software that works and works well for real users. In summary, use case testing focuses on validating end-to-end scenarios and business logic. Exploratory testing uncovers issues through unscripted, intuitive testing. Both are essential for ensuring a rich and robust user experience. In our next session, we'll look at how to set up test environments and manage test data effectively. Let's keep building your testing capabilities.